Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting and verifying your keyboard. Make sure Windows lists it, then launch NBA 2K16. Once the game is open, go straight to Controls and set input to keyboard so the game accepts keystrokes. Now remap essentials. Assign movement to WASD or arrow keys, pick a shoot key and pass key that sit near your fingers. You do this to reduce hand travel and improve reaction time. Immediate remapping gets you into play without fumbling. Once done with basic mapping, tune how the game responds to your keys for consistent play. You should reduce movement dead zone and lower sensitivity slightly to prevent oversteering. This gives you finer control on offense and defense. Next, choose hold or toggle for sprint and advanced dribble moves so you avoid accidental bursts. Finally, bind advanced actions like shot meter on /off, skill stick alternates, and quick subs to spare keys to keep you finish by validating settings under live conditions in the practice gym, run shooting drills, walk through dribble combos, and test defensive positioning to internalize your layout. If keys lag or misfire, first try a different USB port, update keyboard drivers, and close CPU-heavy apps. Latency often hides in the background. If behavior remains weird, reset controls to default and remap step by step. This isolates bad profiles and gets you back to consistent gameplay quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.